Bitcoin trades above $26,000, Ether stays below $1,800. Judge puts Voyager sale to Binance US on hold pending government appeal. CFTC could force Binance to cease US operations as part of settlement, Bernstein. Disney lays off Metaverse team. UK Treasury drops plans for Royal Mint NFT. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Cryptocurrency markets were trading 2% lower on Tuesday after US regulatory action against the Binance cryptocurrency exchange that triggered a massive sell-off in popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, as investors' memory is still rife with the FTX implosion and Terra Luna collapse. Manoj Dhara joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
If you talk about IC15 index of cryptocurrency, which was trading down by 2% at 36,450 points. So if you talk about the overall cryptocurrency markets, have actually reacted to the news that Binance was at the center of a civil complaint by the Commodities Futures Trading Commission, which is CFTC, for offering unregistered crypto derivatives. And this is actually why the market is trading lower. The CFTC accused Binance of breaking law in several ways, including engaging in illegal off-exchange commodity options, failing to implement Know Your Customer or anti-money laundering procedures, and having a Sunpair anti-evasion program, to which the market reacted and Bitcoin prices plunged below $27,000. So the overall market participants and investors have started moving assets away from Binance to lessen the impact of a shutdown if it were to happen. And this is the reason why markets are trading lower. According to a report by Cointelegraph, however, investors responded by pulling out over 3,400 Bitcoins away from Binance within 24 hours of the announcement, anticipating the market fluctuations. And the report also pointed out roughly around 3,900 Bitcoins that left the exchange. In a dedicated response to the complaint, Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao dismissed the accusations. The global cryptocurrency market cap was trading lower, around $1.13 trillion, decreasing by 2.7% in the last 24 hours. However, the total crypto market volume increased by 38%, which was at $45 billion. Episodes involving crypto entrepreneurs such as FTX Sam Bankman-Fried and Terra Luna lab DogeCoin have shaken investor confidence in the crypto ecosystem. Bitcoin has jumped over 30% since March 10th after the collapse of the Silicon Valley Bank. Despite the current turmoil, MicroStrategy founder Michael Saylor announced the purchase of roughly around 7,000 Bitcoins at an average price of $23,238 per Bitcoin. And if we talk about the stock futures, what were unchanged after the S&P posted its third positive session in a row, and banking sector concerns continue to erase. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 35 points or 0.1%. Meanwhile, S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures traded around the flat line. Bitcoin was seen trading at $26,920, down 3.8%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 2% at $1,732. So if you talk about the other altcoins, Binance was trading lower by 5.6% to trade at $310. Next on the list was Solana Sol, was down by 3.2%, was trading at $20. Cardano's ADA token was down by 0.5% to trade at $0.35. Next on the list was Avalanche FX, trading at $16.6, lower by 2%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 2.6% at $1.1. Doge, the popular meme coin, as we all say, is down by 1.7% and was trading at $0.072. Next was Shiba Inu, was trading down by 2%. Polkadot was trading down by 2.2% at $5.9. However, Ripple's XRP token was trading up by 6.3%.
Thank you, Manoj, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. A federal judge paused Voyager's efforts to sell its assets to Binance US in response to the US government's filing for an emergency stay. District Judge Jennifer Reardon of the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of New York granted the U.S. Department of Justice application for a stay pending an appeal of the sale, which was previously approved by a bankruptcy judge. The move puts the sale on hold until the appeal itself can work its way through the U.S. court system. Another bankruptcy judge, Michael Wiles of the New York Southern Bankruptcy Court, approved the sale earlier this month over government agency objections. The U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission could require Binance to cease operations in the U.S. as part of a potential settlement, Bernstein said in a research report on Tuesday. The Bernstein report comes after the regulator sued the crypto exchange and its founder Chanpeng Zhao for allowing U.S. citizens to trade derivatives and for willful evasion of the country's laws. The CFTC is charging Binance with violating laws around futures offerings, illegal off-exchange commodity options, failing to register as a futures commission merchant, designated contract market or swap execution facility, and other charges related to its Know Your Customer or anti-money laundering processes. Binance US is a minor part of the overall business and makes up less than 5% of the exchange's global operations, the report said. Disney is in the process of laying off 7,000 staff in an attempt to control costs and develop what CEO Bob Iger calls a streamlined business. The cuts include its Metaverse team, with its 50-strong headcount being let go, the Wall Street Journal reported, citing people familiar with the matter. Most Metaverse majors appear to be unaffected by the news. Decentraland's Mana token is up 1% in the last hour, while Sandbox's Sand is flat. The United Kingdom has shelved plans to launch a government-backed NFT for Britain, which was initially proposed by crypto-friendly Prime Minister Rishi Sunak. While serving as Chancellor of the Exchequer, the equivalent of a Chief Financial Minister, Sunak asked the Royal Mint in April 2022 to create an NFT for Britain as part of the government's ambition to make the UK a global hub for crypto asset technology and investment. The project was meant to be launched by the summer of 2022, but has ultimately failed to meet the deadline. The NFT for Britain concept ultimately appears to be quite vague, as the Royal Mint and Treasury haven't elaborated on what the NFTs would do and how they would be used. Now let's go to Shubham Joshi to get an update on the 3 buzzing stocks of the day.
The Avalanche blockchain network may be the most recent to go down. In the last 24 hours, the network reportedly stopped producing blocks for nearly an hour. According to reports, the Avalanche C chain ceased block production for at least 50 minutes. Such a result can only occur as a result of a bug or problems with the code or as a planned network pause. Although block production has since resumed, there are still many unknowns about the situation. Avalanche has yet to issue an official statement about the event. However, some claim that the incident was caused by validator challenges. Also, the incident on 26 March marked the second time that the network experienced a block production disruption within the last 7 days. AVAX was trading at $16, down 1.6% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $5 billion. Tron's total addresses count has risen by more than 140,000 in the last 24 hours. Tron's on-chain metrics indicated that the further downtrend is likely in the near future. Tron has outperformed the world's largest cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, in terms of active addresses. Tron stated in a tweet on March 26 that it consumes 99.9% less electricity than Bitcoin and Ethereum. Tron could have benefited from the world's ongoing search for energy-efficient platforms. Another factor that have aided Tron in attracting new users was its dominance in the African and Asian regions, where it outperformed Ethereum. Apart from that, Tron's burn rate has recently been promising, displaying its deflationary characteristic, which may have attracted more users. Furthermore, the increased number of users also helped Tron generate more revenue. Token Terminals data pointed out that Tron ranked second on the list of blockchains by revenue, only behind the king of altcoins. Though Tron's performance has been commendable, the same can't be said for its price as it was trading at $0.06, down 0.03% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $5 billion. Space ID is a decentralized autonomous organization that aims to make blockchain technology more efficient and accessible in the future. Space ID is specifically targeting the NFT market and Web3 domain registration. A decentralized exchange for NFTs, a domain name service registration, and a governance system that allows token holders to participate in decision making are all part of the Space ID ecosystem. Overall, Space ID is a fascinating advancement in the world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Space ID is paving the way for a more efficient and accessible future for blockchain technology by developing a decentralized ecosystem for the NFT market and Web3 domain registration. Space ID recently made headlines when it launched on Binance Launchpad and surged by over 2,000%. However, despite this development, Space ID was trading at $0.45, down 4.26% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $1 million.
Thank you, Shubham. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share, and subscribe to 3.0 TV and have a great day.